Okay. No, that's fine. Anyways, we will be sharing screen and resolving it, right? So good to have that recorded also. Yeah.
So record to the cloud only. Okay.
I hope so. I'm doing same. If the last two recordings no issue, then we are good.
No issue then. Okay.
Perfect.
Pallavi,
And yeah, go ahead.
I'm
Sir.
sharing the screen. And
Yeah.
one more thing is, have you worked on HCM analytics in FA?
Yeah, HCM analytics, right? Human capitalization management.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
I need end-to-end training in that, Pallavi.
Sorry, come again.
I need end-to-end training. Right now, you are teaching in OAC.
OAC, right? So
There
OAC,
also I need the training because I want to do my certification in this one, and I want to switch my career from what we call them in this analytics side completely.
Okay.
Because
So
in market it is very hot, Pallavi. Do you
right.
know here that just one our company hired one analytic guy. He don't know anything. He knows only Power BI.
Oh my God. Okay.
He's taking the data from Oracle and he's in Excel. He's loading the data and he's presenting the data into the reports.
That's not good.
Okay, for him we are paying 58,000 Saudi Riyal.
Oh.
And 3 months back,
I think I'm sure now you know much more than him. Definitely.
approximately 6 months back,
Uh-huh.
I got a call, from my friend. He
Mhm.
said that we need this one, what we called CDMP.
Okay. Sadiq, will you please help me with the link again? Let me try to log in, and this time I will try from my side. Okay.
Sure,
Hi,
sure.
Pallavi.
Hey, hi, Shadab.
Oh, finally he joined.
Yeah, we were
We were
waiting
waiting for you,
for
Shadab.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries. But now you have lost your time to ask me a question, okay?
Okay. Anyway, you will suggest me go for the recordings at last.
If the repeat question, yes.
Okay.
25. Okay.
I shared the link, Pallavi.
You did? Okay.
And WhatsApp.
Yeah, this I'm able to open.
Why?
Fine. But then, because I need to log into the laptop now to access this link and all. So let's continue for now on your screen, Sadiq. See what we will do. We will not wait for today for, this part. Variable. If variables are still getting error, we will remove it. Let's try to complete the presentation layer and subject area first.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to semantic model. We had errors in our calendar also, right?
Yes.
Calendar hierarchy. Do one thing, yeah, just go there. And for all total, the chronological key we are arranging, right? Make it as a date ID instead of every level's ID. Total में तो नहीं होगा. Yeah, year, you have a calendar year ID and then you must be having chronological key, right? Somewhere.
Okay. Do you want me to take date ID here?
नहीं, display is okay. Display is okay. Logical level. We had a chronological key, right? For every level yesterday.
I'm not
Okay.
able to record from.
Go to quarter. Yeah, I remember, right? For every, okay. Can you click on detail directly now? The last level, date ID level, date DT level. हाँ, date DT में यहाँ पे logical है, description है. And we are in hierarchies, right? We are not able, what type of hierarchy we have selected here?
You have selected.
I think it's a
Okay,
time-based
I think, hold on.
hierarchy.
No,
It's a time.
We are in presentation layer, right, Sadiq? We are not in
Yes,
BMM
Okay,
layer,
okay.
na?
Yes, yes,
Sorry,
we are
my
in-
bad. BMM means नहीं. आप logical layer में जाना है आपको. That's the reason I go to logical. Third tab, please. Before presentation, it's a logical layer. Yeah. Now open here hierarchy from here.
First, we have to click here. No?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Not that one. I think go back. We rename the calendar date table also, right? Is this the table we are using, Sadiq, for logical layer, or we rename it?
This one. Dim calendar.
This one. Correct. Yeah, this one. Right. Abhi hierarchies में जाना, please, and then this is correct. Click on year. Year पे click करना.
Yeah, right. Chronological.
Here, right? Can you remove this? Remove it and please add the date ID there. The lowest level, add it there. The lowest level.
Date ID.
Right. And repeat this. Repeat it for every other step.
Here also.
Yeah. Right. For quarter also. We were getting the chronological error, right? The parent and higher level error आ रही थी ना कल से.
Yes. We are removing that one.
Right. And then detail में date ID रहेगा. This should be fine. Now can you just save it once?
Already saved completely.
Acha, okay. And let's check the let's do the consistency check now. How we did the consistency check yesterday? The checkbox, right? Before new जो checkbox है, advanced check.
कहाँ बता रहे हैं?
To your right top में there is a sign which check, right? Advanced check, right? So that becomes your consistency check. Click on that, please.
Going down. No errors.
Hold on. No, it is running, right?
I'm running here. Yes.
Let's see.
Found errors here.
It is still, I think our business unit might be. Oh, it talks about, it is not talking about hierarchy. It says logical, okay, level year. Okay, it is still talking about the hierarchy only. Has a key logical column year ID that does not belong to the current level or an upper level.
Here, business unit for this one also, have you used that chronological hierarchy here also?
No, not for business unit. A business unit, we got one more error today. Invalid object definition, required properties not found. This is new. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's remove the hierarchy for calendar date, Sadiq. Let's remove both the hierarchies. Tomorrow we will create again. No worries. Let's not hold on our session. I will go through it. I will log in after our session and let me clarify the errors. It's a small thing, but then it is.
Header, otherwise I have to delete one by one here.
You are still in presentation again, right? Don't remove anything from here. Go
Logical.
back to logical layer.
No, we are in logical layer. See.
H1 hierarchy should not be in logical layer. I mean, though you are there, though you have connected to that tab, can you close this dim calendar date? Just close it. Yeah, just close that tab. Yeah. Sample business model. This is correct. And now click on dim calendar date. Correct. Go to there. Yeah. And just remove all three layers in between. Year, quarter, month. Remove everything. Just keep the detail one as is.
Okay, it's up.
Okay. And let's go back to, okay, एक बार आप check कर लीजिए. See, conceptually everything is same, but with every version they keep changing many things, so that takes time.
Still, we are having 3.
Yeah, that's fine. Now we got a current month IB error, init block error. This was new. It was not there, right? So let's remove first business unit layers errors, and then let's go back to current. ये init block ही हटा देंगे हम तो. Okay, let's not waste our time to look at that because we know init block anyway is not working. Let's remove that. But then let's look at business unit hierarchy.
एक ही डिटेल एक ही है यहाँ.
Yeah, for business unit ना. Can you remove here associated columns? दो है यहाँ पे. Parent key we don't have. Display key is description. Member key is ID. Can you remove this associated column description from here? Are you able to remove it?
This one.
Yeah,
we
just select one. यहाँ पे pencil sign है देखिए. To your left, right, you have a pencil sign for associated. Yeah, just click on that. Just select one. नहीं ID. Prefer ID. Hold on. It says assign to the current level, clear level. What is it? Detail. ठीक है, current level is detail. Okay.
current में click करना.
नहीं, no need. You have already. Oh, okay, you are not getting this. Assign to current level. Click on that once. And can you select both and see if you are able to save it? Okay. Save the session and run again. Let it run. If still gets error, let's remove this hierarchy also. It is holding all our further sessions. So I will just look at the errors.
Same errors.
Let me check.
Parent-child hierarchy, parent-child in logical table, business unit has an invalid parent key. Oh,
I
okay.
think-
Do we need to supply? Okay. Can you go back once in business unit?
Yeah.
Parent child business
And
unit.
let's select the parent key as the same ID. नहीं, detail में जाना एक बार. हाँ, इसमें parent की option है देखो, parent की. अच्छा, display की भी we didn't
Can I ask
select it.
you? Can I say something, Pallavi, if you allow me?
Yeah. Go ahead, Shraddha.
Like as you focus to today for on the like presentation. So in hierarchy type we put none. No, I think automatically it will remove all the parent, child, and everything hierarchy. Then we have
I see. I think that is the last option we will do, right? We will not spend much time on just removing error. And I
yeah,
will share with both of you, right? Once I'm
yeah,
done with that.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
it is
Because
holding our other session.
we need a different session for hierarchy and these variables. Like we can take it like long session.
Yeah. But then let's try. I just, while looking at the error, I got another idea. So we are just trying that for the last time. Sadhik, can you add a display ID, please? Display key as the same. Yeah. And parent key also add the same business ID only. Right. Save it now. ठीक है, और एक बार चेक करना प्लीज.
Same errors.
Still same, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do one thing. Let's remove business unit hierarchy itself. We are not getting errors in any other, right? Still having the same one. None. Hierarchy type में none कर दो आप. Yeah, that's it. Save it. Then go to init block.
Go to
Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Correct. Variables. You are right.
presentation layer.
नहीं. After that, variables tab. Correct. So I said init block. Init block is a short form for initialization block. So sometimes it just BMM init, it just comes in. So, and will you please remove the current month IB? Because we were getting error related to that too, right? Right. Just click on that. And is there an option to remove it?
No, we do not have any option to remove.
Oh, okay. First remove the variable associated with it. It's a top to bottom approach. Sorry, bottom to top approach again. You can remove the variables. See, click on three dot. Is it possible to remove? Yeah, delete
Yeah.
it.
We need to remove this one also. Connection
Yep.
pool.
Yeah. Right. So it will be just a dummy, and the rest you can keep. I believe it won't be any issue. You don't have option to remove it here, Sadiq. Once you click on current month IB, there should be, right? Now we don't have variable assigned to it. Just click on that. Right click. Do you have a right click option there? Hai. Okay. Remove it.
Delete.
No worries. Yeah. Remove it. We will create both hierarchies, variable, both we will create again. No worries. And it is not as such ki showstopper hai for RPD also. So let's not hold our other session.
Okay.
Save it, please. And let's check the consistency once. Okay. See, unless and until we are getting this message, we are not liable to present our repository, okay, or present our logical layer. आपको जो भी है warning, you can ignore up to some time, but errors we are bound to resolve it anyhow, okay, by hook or crook. There is no skip out on errors. So that's how we have to deal with it, right? So this is something is to share with you. You have to check consistency. You have to pass that consistency test. Then only it will move to the next step. Now with this consistency check, you see the check sign is there, right? And no errors, no messages, nothing
Yeah,
for
yeah.
us. Advanced check complete. That means our repository, whatever work so far we have done is good to or ready to go. Now, considering that we also have a hierarchies created already. For account, we have a hierarchy going good. And for date also we have a hierarchy, right? No, date we remove it, now.
Date we removed here.
Okay, no worries. Now let's go back to I want you to, so once it is here, our job is done for semantic layer right now, okay, in this part. Let's go to the classic form, how your subject area will look like in classic form and visualization. Let's have a look at that, okay. So this is done here. Go back to the home and open classic form.
Here open class. Can you take this one, Pallavi?
Hold on. No, here you go. Your sample subject area is not. Can you go back and relog in again? See, what is our subject area name? XXX sample subject area, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So the expectation is that the subject area with that presentation layer should be, with the presentation name should be appeared in this list.
Okay.
Now once we we have the session, right, we have till how many days, right? 8 to 9 days, right? 8 days for the subscription. So once the subscription is over, we may lose access to the semantic model and then the subject area, Sadik. But then still we will be able to have access to Classic Home. So we will continue our reporting. We can continue our reporting session based on, data set as a subject area. We can still do that. But then these kind of critical things, we will lose it once we lose the free tier account.
Still, we are facing that issue. We are not getting XX.
Right. Go back to the semantic layer, please, once. I think I remember for Shadab also, when we created semantic model, we were not able to see it first. And it replicated the next. Anyways, just open it. And can you just check the, okay, I think, can you just click on once advanced check? I'm not sure if we need to publish it.
Check where we have here.
The same one, consistency, the way we check the consistency, Sadik. Huh? Hold on there. Okay, let me check now once. Okay, can you click on this drop down? Advanced check complete का जो drop down है वहाँ पे एक बार click करना if you have any message or step there to complete. नहीं, not above.
यही है ना, ये include अर्निंग, ये तो कर दिया ना अभी है.
Yeah. No, I was talking about the below message. आपको नीचे message आ रहा है, right, to your right bottom.
Yeah, this
Just
one.
click on that drop down. Click on that. It's just a view details, right? Nothing else.
Warning
I
is
was
there.
just checking. अच्छा, warning है ना?
जी.
ठीक है. I think warning should not impact that much. Warning should be still okay. No worries. If something, can you just click on this 3-dot button here? Deploy is the option. Click on deploy.
Invalid connection view.
Okay, why invalid connections? We are still using the same one, right?
Connection pool is not there, no?
Or did we remove it?
Yeah, we removed not that one.
नहीं, connection pool ने remove किया था, right, हमने?
नहीं,
Connection pool हमने
change किया था.
initialization block से remove किया था.
नहीं, उस दिन हमने connection pool भी change किया था पल्लवी.
Yeah, but we added a new connection, right? Working
That
connection.
that we had done it.
Yeah. Go to the physical layer, Sadi. Let's fix it. Physical layer, please. Double click. Click on connection pools. 1, 2, 3, 4 tab. Yeah, see, we have the new connection pool one, right? The first one. Yeah. Open it and change it to the database, the one which is working.
Open it means?
ये जो connection में है ना, Oracle DB, right? Check, add it to Oracle DB, right? Oracle DB 1, 2, 3. The first one. Save it. Or Oracle DB 1, 2, 3 अपना चल रहा है, right? We have seen it earlier also.
Yes.
Do we need to check it again? Let's check later. Save it, please. And now go back and deploy. Again, yeah, consistency check, go back, deploy. Okay, okay. Now click on deploy.
Deploy successfully started.
Deploys, it says started, deploying. Yeah, just let's wait for this.
Deployed successfully.
Okay, perfect. Now you should log into the Classic Home.
Let me log out and relog in.
Yeah, yes, please.
Asi.
Yeah, you can open a Classic Home now. Do one thing. Go to open. Before open. No. Hold on. There only. No. Go back to the Classic Home. Click on your login name there. It's a login icon, right? Extreme left. Yeah. Click on that and click on administration. 1, 2, 3, 4th tab. Yeah. And there is an option called reload files and metadata. Maintenance and troubleshooting mein 1, 2, 3rd option. So what it does is third reload files and metadata. Metadata is nothing but your repository, or in other way around, it's a semantic layer, right? So if that change is not happening or reflecting anything which you have changed in semantic model, if it is not reflecting, then this is the way you should be coming here and all. So we were supposed to get it, but anyways, now we are getting error. So let's try that once. Let's see if you are receiving this. Yeah, now can you just go to the create and see? Create analysis. Yeah.
We got.
Okay. So this is how you started there, but this is how. Now, when you, as you are working on FAW, this is the similar way you are looking at the pre-built subject areas also. The difference, now I believe you understand the difference between OAC and FAW, right? Why FAW people generally go? Because at least they have, you need not to spend time in data modeling and creating everything from scratch, right? Whether you are working for finance, SCM, or even human, anything, HCM and all. Now, OAC is something because in many cases, out of the box really doesn't work for customers. So they prefer to create everything from scratch for them. And that is where OAC works, comes into picture. Okay. Otherwise, technology wise, technically wise, everything is same. So as as we complete the semantic layer, this is how it will look like. Now let's open the, yeah. And now I think you realize that why you should give a, good or business meaningful names to your subject area, right? Yeah. Let's add account detail. Let's add year ID. You have a year there, right? Let's add a year. Like yearly. I don't know how many, what till now you had all these data scattered in multiple tables. Now you will have a real visibility, right? Collective, you will have an opportunity to see the data visibly or collectively with the meaningful sense. Hold on, I think we should go one by one, because if error appears, you will not need to know that due to which column you are getting error, right? So let's go one by one. Let's run for 2 to 3 columns first. Okay, no result. That means somewhere, no. It means that this is not an error. it means that our IDs are not matching somehow. But I think we loaded the same table, right? Do we have a data in tables, Sadiq?
I did not check here.
हाँ है ना.
I
बिजनेस यूनिट देखो, बिजनेस यूनिट में है. हाँ फैक्ट टेबल देखो.
फैक्ट टेबल
फैक्ट
में
देखो. पेमेंट अमाउंट ऐड, फैक्ट टेबल में पेमेंट अमाउंट ऐड करो आप. पेमेंट अमाउंट नहीं, फैक्ट टेबल में डेटा ही नहीं दिख रहा है. अदरवाइज योर फैक्ट टेबल आल्सो शुड हैव द सिमिलर, शोड द सिमिलर वैल्यूज. Do one thing, okay? No worries. Remove all these columns. Just click on remove all. Okay, remove one by one, or otherwise go to your extreme right. There is a 2 cross signs. Usko click कर दो आप, सारे column हट जाएंगे, right? In one go. Just select fact column. Only one column in fact. Just run it. Data ही नहीं है ना? बाकी select करो. Just select the any one of it. बेस कॉलम, ये मेट्रिक है ना, ये मेट्रिक हमने क्रिएट किया है, राइट? जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस वन, नॉर्मल मेट्रिक. हाँ, बेस मेट्रिक है. बेस मेट्रिक जो डायरेक्ट टेबल से डेटा आ रहा है. कैलकुलेटेड कॉलम मत ये करो. एंड नाउ कैन यू क्लिक ऑन अकाउंट. अकाउंट कॉलम सिलेक्ट करो. अकाउंट डिस्क्रिप्शन, नहीं अकाउंट डिस्क्रिप्शन, फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिप्शन अकाउंट डायमेंशन. हाँ उसमें डेटा है, राइट? अकाउंट, अकाउंट, up, scroll up. Add this account details. Okay, description नहीं है, details है, sorry. नहीं, account details, Sadiq, column, not hierarchy. This is the hierarchy you are picking up. You need to pick up hierarchy, हाँ. And then run it, result. Okay. Now, which table you don't have data? You have data for accounts. Just try to add a business unit description now. You can add it there itself, directly in the results. Yeah, you need not to go back to criteria. ठीक है? Okay, you have a data. I think then time dimension is facing an issue or showing an issue. Now just add, add anything from date dt, or add date dt itself, or date ID. Okay, ठीक है. I think we need to change the join condition. Didn't we applied it on date ID to date ID join? I will check on the data. Okay, but then I think this is how end-to-end we finish the RPD creation semantic model. Now let's go back to, we will come to back. Classic Home अपना second जो session होते हैं सारे वो Classic Home पर ही depend है, because majority of your reports still interactive dashboards, reports, alerts, BIP, right? Small BIP, you are going to Classic Home only. So second session will be mostly depend on it. Now let's cover the visualization part from our first end, right? From this one. Yeah. So let's come back here. Semantic model, we are good for now, except our hierarchy and variable. So I will cover that. Let's go back to the classic. Let's go back to your 3 hamburger sign. Home.
Okay.
ठीक है, आपको home में जाना है, and then home में you need to click on create now. Just click on create and hold on there. Create.
Right side,
Yeah. Correct. You are on correct. See, now let's see that what we have covered so far. We have covered semantic model, replication and connection. I think I already mentioned that we are not going to cover it because it need a source system, live source system, which we don't have it, and which is okay. You will never require this, as far as, because these are the rarest of the rare requirement to replicate the real-time data. So don't worry about it. It is always anyways good to have. We have also seen connection, हमने देख लिया है, because unless you create a connection, you won't be able to work, right? So necessary connection. We have seen the data flow, how to create a data flow. Then हमने दोनों जगह पे data set we resulted, data set we created, right? In Excel and all. Data, how to create a data set also we see. And now what we are going to focus is, we are going to focus on how to create a workbook. What is workbook? आपने जो भी data set create किए, अभी उसको explore करने का time आ गया, right? You created through Excel, you created through DB table and all. Now let's try to explore. Okay, just click on workbook. Because now you have 3 different data sets so far created, we can pick up anyone. Let's pick up the sample subject area for now. Right. So as you see here, you have opportunity to use your manual data set, your data flow table, direct database also can be used here as your source. And right now we are using the subject area. So before we go ahead and all, I think you should know what this screen is about and what we are going to do here, right? So if you see your left pan, because that's how I'm going to call it, as a left pan, middle pan, right pan, filter section. So it would be, so this introduction, we will have introduction today, but then in future, the way I refer it, you need to toggle your mouse accordingly. So I will start from extreme left pan, Sadik, where you have a subject area, correct? This is, we call it as a data set pan. This is going to be your data set. Here you are going to add a data set. Now it is not necessary that only one data set can be chosen to create visualization. Click on plus sign and you have a lot of options there. Correct. Yeah. Add data, add create calculation, group calculation. So add data pe aap click karoge, you are liable to create another data source also. And it could be anything. The one which you already selected is gone, grayed out, but the other options are still open. And if you have something common in between them, go ahead, sir.
Can you take this one?
Not now. Not now. I just wanted to show you that it is available, right? You need not to necessarily take it, right? Unless it is a business requirement. If you need it for report creation, it is okay. I just wanted to show you the possibility, right? As we need to cover that as a feature. Okay, right? Then again, similar way, while creating a semantic model, you had a icon related tabs, and then you have a detail tab, right? Similar way here also, on your laptop, you will find 4 tabs there. The one like a database picture, you are already in a database tab. Yeah, second picture, if you click, it will give you the visualization bar, right? And number of visualizations available. The third tab, if you click on, please click on third tab. Right. It will give you the highlighters and all. But then this is something is, it should be ideally come up, whatever view you select, whatever visualization you select, accordingly, these tab is going to change, okay? Whether sometimes you will get the clusters, sometimes you will get the outliers. Now, what is clusters? What is outliers? We will see that in detail, right? Then you have a reference line, trend line, forecast. See, all these options available are based on Oracle machine learning algorithms. A machine again, Oracle read the data and it come up with, oh, this is your history data, right? So this should be your forecast for next 6 months. Earlier to calculate forecast itself, it took next 3 months, right? For the AD, for the development team. But right now Oracle make it easy. But let me help you to understand all these Oracle driven, Oracle machine learning or data learning driven analytical features do not give us the result with 100% accuracy. It is always given by Oracle also. You use the feature, but the recommendation is that the accuracy of data, the accuracy of result is around 80 to 85%, not 100%. And that is the reason in many cases when the financial firms, banking firms, they are working on these kind of outliers or, sorry, out of the box features, they do not want to rely on out of the box because of this accuracy part. So better we calculate manually and we get the 100% result or 100% accuracy. But then yes, in few cases where we need a high level result, जैसे sales team है, sales team को एक high level अंदाजा चाहिए क्योंकि where our forecast is going to be, what is our trend to be. in next 6 months, right? Based on the last month data, then definitely these features are useful. Yes, click on next, please. Parameters. Yeah, parameters may, okay, here you see, right? Username. If you click on username, username is nothing but your current user, whatever is the current active user who is logging in. Current date, time, itna hi kyun hai pata nahi. Okay, we'll see that. Current date, current time, current date, time. These are all the add-ons when you work on your visualization and all. So then sometimes it is a demand that, okay, show me current time. I don't want to look at watch, right? Show me, or that is something is sometimes it's a protocol also in report. So then you can use it. Okay. This becomes your left-hand side pen. Now let's click on middle pen. Middle. Ye middle mein pen hai. Correct. Right. So this is how the middle pen is going to help you to explore your view. For example, I want you to go back to the left pen and click on database, please. Correct. Okay. Database में से dim account open करके dim account column पे double click करना. Okay, perfect. Your middle pen is filled up now. So this is how your middle pen is going to work on. आपने जो view select किया है, the middle pen is going to help you to get the details of that selected view. Okay. Now, which column to be added, what column to be added and all. And as soon as you started working on a view, the above pen will help you to change the view also. एक तो ये graph वाला option था जो हमने left top में देखा after database, that icon, right? One place is here and other place is on your middle pen now. Just go to the auto table, ऊपर, above, correct. Click on that drop down, please. And the same options are available here. So going forward, we are going to see our next 2-3 sessions will depend on, these whole screens and all. So we have till now, we have spent our time on data preparation with different module. We created semantic layer and we are done now with the preparation. Now it's time to explore the data, what we have prepared, right? So this becomes your middle pan. Now the right is your extreme right is your right pan. That's a playground. We call it as the canvas.
Yeah.
Okay, if you see
Can
below.
create multiple canvases here, right?
Absolutely, right. So in Classic Home, you are going to call it as a dashboard pages. And here, because this is a summarized view of your data, right? We are not looking at too much detail and all. So that is how we call it as a canvas. It is going to be more colorful, more interactive, more easy to use, quick results, small data. That is why canvas, right? And above canvas, there are the filter conditions. Now, please, because next time, whenever I'm going to guide you, I'll say that, okay, go to filter conditions, go to parameter selection or selection criteria. Above small horizontal tab, correct. That is going to be your selection criteria. We call it as a dashboard prompt. In Classic Home also, you have a similar feature, but there we call it as a dashboard prompt. Here it is the selection criteria. Same thing. No worries. So what is selection criteria? You will be giving them a X. Can you just open any dimension and add a column there, please? Yeah, add account detail, account date, anything is okay, right? Add it. Okay. So which filter you want to apply? This will help you to apply on-fly filter. This is how your visualizations are going to be interactive down the line. Okay. So this is how, and then there are two type of filters here. We will see that in later, right? In fact, now only you are looking at the same thing. See, the account details, you are looking at the value and you are able to select, remove, multiple select, exclude everything here, right? In a similar way, if you just go to the middle pen, last option. If you go to the middle pen, last option, filter. मिडिल पेन में लास्ट ऑप्शन देखना है आपको, एकदम लास्ट वाला, टॉप बॉटम, करेक्ट. Filters, right? These are also filters, but what is the difference? The account detail filter which you applied above will be applicable to all the visualizations created under that canvas. ये canvas के अंदर आपने जितने visualization create किए, this account detail will be applicable to everyone. However, the filter, the below middle pan filter which you have applied will be only applicable to one visualization. That is the difference.
One visualization means
Sorry, come again.
you said that this filter is applicable to only one visualization.
Absolutely correct. The
One
visualization means the view which you have created. Right now you have created table view. So that table view becomes your visualization, single visualization, right?
Mhm.
You
Yes.
selected table here. Here it is a table. Now, if you apply a filter in middle pane, then whatever you filter apply, that will only applicable to this table view. Now, besides after table view, tomorrow you are going to create a graph. Next day, then you are going to create a pie chart. Then you are going to create a, maybe a tree map. Then you are going to create a outlier view and all, scatter view and all. So all these views you are going to create. So for every different view, you will have a different filter. I mean, these are related to the filter base apply here.
Here, okay.
Yeah, these are expression filter is something, if you remember earlier, we have used the case statement, right? Ki case when, if this is the case, then use this or display this, something like that. Create expression filter also you can apply. ये वहां पे भी है classicum में, right? Okay. So, yeah, before we close for today's session, let me complete this part. The above you will see three tabs, Sadiq: data, visualize and present. Middle, correct. So अब तक हमने जो आज तक हमने देखा, because that's how the 40% of your OAC is always data creation. That is why we took so long and we concentrated on doing it practically on ground. The other 30% is based on your visualization, or 20% I would say, because the rest goes to Classicum. Visualize. So now 2-3 sessions we are going to look at how to visualize it, and the final stage is how to present it. Okay. Yeah, we'll see now. Next 2-3 sessions will be completely focused on this tab, the one which we are. That is why before we started, I wanted to give you overview of each screen. Okay, now one by one tab we are going to see in detail, and this is where you will learn how to visualize, irrespective of now it going forward, irrespective of you are working on FAW or OAC, the steps are same, no change, same thing. ठीक है, चाहे FAW हो चाहे OAC हो, no change after this, it is still same, everything same.
Okay.
Okay, I think we will hold on for today. Tomorrow we don't have session, right? So we will continue on Wednesday.
Okay.
And I see that you will already confirm your availability to Sunita, right? Tomorrow. So then accordingly we will decide. I believe if Shadab is still there, I wish to take the session on Thursday. And if you are there, that would be very good, Sadiq. No worries.
Okay. Okay. Otherwise,
Okay.
I will watch the videos. No issues.
Yeah. I mean, you should see. Reason is that we are losing the days, right? For our this one. I was about to request if this Saturday you both are okay, we can take some extra session and try to close this by 25th. By next week, we will try to cover these sessions. If you
Okay.
both are okay, and this is not going too fast for both of you. Generally, I have to keep in mind that, I have to take up everybody, right? But if it is not too fast and too slow for both of you, if this pace, then I think we should be able to cover it.
Okay.
Okay. Because last days of this month, even I'm traveling out of country for 3 to 4 days for business purpose. So that week I will not be available.
Okay.
Yeah. But then
think we
before
should
that, we
cover it.
will anyways
We
cover
have
this. We will
we
cover
have
it.
to cover before this week. Like
Correct.
our 2 weeks is there.
Exactly. 2 weeks span, I think it should be enough. We have 12, 13 more sessions. So if we have maybe 1 or 2 days extra sessions, I think we'll be able to good to cover. I'm considering that you are available on Thursday, Sadiq. Thursday, and if possible on Saturday. But then I believe Saturday आप दोनों available नहीं हो, right? I just realized this Saturday, Sunday you are not there, right? Both of you?
Sunday I will be there. Saturday I will not there actually. Friday and Saturday I will
Okay.
not there. Actually, I'm traveling on Thursday evening only. Thursday evening onwards, I'm
So
traveling.
Thursday
But
आप भी नहीं हो फिर Shada?
if
Okay, hold on.
Sadiq,
Let
I
me
just
stop recording.